Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or even your pet? Meet the incredible Apple AirTag 4-pack, your ultimate solution for keeping tabs on your most valuable belongings. What makes these Bluetooth trackers revolutionary is precision finding, harnessing ultra-wideband technology to guide you directly to your lost item, down to the foot. Forget vague location estimates. This is like having a personal radar telling you exactly where to look. Setup is a breeze. Literally one tap with your iPhone, and you're ready to track in seconds. Plus, with IP67 water and dust resistance, your AirTag can handle spills and adventures without missing a beat. If you're searching for the best Bluetooth tracker, this 4-pack is an amazing value. Check out the link in the description for current prices on Amazon. Never again worry about misplaced items. The AirTag integrates seamlessly into your Apple ecosystem for complete peace of mind. It's not just a tracker, it's an extension of your iPhone, making finding lost items intuitive and almost effortless. For anyone wanting to protect their essentials in 2025, the Apple AirTag 4-pack is an absolute must-have investment.